Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, name of Allah is most mighty and most merciful. Welcome back to my channel, CodewithSR. In this channel, you are going to learn all of the coding tutorials and tech reviews and many more. So, welcome back. So today in this video, you are going to learn a new thing. You are going to learn HTML series part number 3, HTML basic tags. We are going to know the HTML basic tags. Let's open our folder by clicking the VS Code. And if you hadn't subscribed my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get up my new videos and new content. So, here first of all, I am going to open my Visual Studio Code editor. VS Code is a good editor. If you hadn't seen our previous video in which we learn HTML basics, you have to see that video, and if you hadn't seen that one too, you have to see the first one. So we have started a series of it. In this series, we learn many things of HTML, and at the end we will inshallah build many projects. There we go. The Visual Studio Code VS Code refined editor has been opened. So first of all, I will check it like clicking here. There we go. And I will create here a new file with the name of 2.html. So there are total 6 tags which contains heading. These 6 tags are used for adding heading. Like, first of all, I will add here, and document title name is going to be heading tags. There are 6 heading tags which started from H and ended with numbers. So heading tags start from H1 and ends from H6. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. This is the difference between them, in which we get H2, H3, and then H4, then H5, and then H6. Like this, these are 6 tags. H1 is the biggest, smallest than H1, smallest than H2, smallest than H3, smallest than H5, and smallest in the history of HTML. So let's start. First of all, write HTML and start. So here we can write HTML, and then H2 is H3, very, H4, good, H5, I, like, H6, it. I will go live. Simply there are 2 ways to go live. First of all, come here and write extension go live and download it. And if you don't want to download extension, so click here in the file explorer, go to your folder, and then here you will get code, in which folder you had put them, and you go to second.html, click it. In 3, in 2, and in 1, we had opened the heading tags page. In 5 seconds it will be show, and these are 6 tags. Wait. Okay. Basically, H1 is the biggest. And then it is the little, small, and then little bit small, and then wait, this is little bit small, and it is little small, so little small, more little small, and very little small. Here you can see that. Wait, let me fix a thing. Here we go. This is the biggest H1. This is the small. It is the little bit small, little small, so little small, more little small, very little small. That's the concept of heading tags. As you can see, the first is the biggest and the last is the smallest. That is the bit difference between them all. So this was my video in which we learned what are the tags. So the tags are the most important part and the most basic part of HTML. So this was the heading tags tutorial. Thank you and take care and Allah Hafiz.